Welcome back again to our Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video, I want to show you how easily you can make money online this year. One of the things I've been talking about, as long as this is concerned, is for all of us to be very intentional. If you see a very legit money making opportunity, don't just visit today, go tomorrow. Please be intentional about it. So that at the end of the year, by God's grace, you'll be able to look at yourself and say, thank God I took that step and I was very consistent with it. It's very important. Now, this is PalmPay app. I'm going to introduce this. For so many of us, you may have it. For so many of us, you must have heard about it, but you don't have it. And to you, it doesn't matter. Please, if you're in the category of those who don't have a PalmPay app on your phone, I want to tell you, you are losing so much. Apart from the fact that PalmPay and OPay is now the best, payment system in Nigeria, something quite higher, much more better than all this our banking system. That's why you see them, they're almost fighting it. Every transfer, we're talking about easy transfer, everything is so easy with these tools. Now, I know so many of us will be talking about security and all that. I'm going to show you that's part of your earning in this place. I'm going to show you so many ways you can earn money from this play. Let me start with the least one. Like you can see here, if you look at my cash reward, there is 1,194. I just, in a question of 1, 2, 3, or 3, one thing I will do, I will complete it. 1, 2, and I will just look at this. If you are looking at all of this here, it's 1,000, 2,000. Everything you are seeing here is what people are earning. This is free. Nobody's coming here to fabricate whatever. As you see people giving testimonial, oh, I got my own, everything is as real as it is. Now, this is one way to earn here. And this area of earning is just, you invite your friends to the system, 1, 2, 3 friends, and the system pays you. You didn't do anything, you're not doing anything. So you look at for people, people complain about, oh, my transfer, I transfer since so day, it's not going. Say, ma, do you have a PalmPay account? Wallet? No, you quickly you open it up there. The person have registered under you, and you're already making money from him. You didn't pay anything. And you are making money. So free. So except you are so lazy, you think you can't take that opportunity. Now, outside that, there are so many other ways. I want to show you this. So many other ways. Now, if you look at this, you are seeing my fund, yes, 542. Yes, you say, this is small money. Everything you see here is free. Yes, it might look small, right? 542 naira, what is it? But it's free. Some of the ways, like some of this money you see here, one of the ways to earn it. Now, if you join PalmPay, you are just in tier 1. In that tier 1, you cannot do transaction of more than 50,000 naira every day. And you cannot have more than 300,000 naira in your account. That means if someone wants to send you money on PalmPay that is more than 300,000, you cannot enter. In fact, on a day, you can't do anything more than 50,000 naira transaction. That's what it means. That's tier 1. Now, the system will require you to go to tier 2. That tier 2, what do you need to do? You think you are paying anything? No. All you need to do is just put in your BVN, put in your NIN. Remember, the banks there are required for that thing. So those things doesn't take anything away from you. Don't say, hey, they're going to steal my money. No. You put it in, that is. And by doing that, you are secure because CBN, NDIC have requested that every payment system in Nigeria, whether the traditional banking system or whatever, they must request this. That's KYC. Know your customers. From this, to make sure that the right people are the ones doing banking and all that. So once you do this, the system pays you 500 naira. The system just settles you instantly. So every step. And do you know, apart from this, there's another one that any day you visit this system, you receive small money. Just by logging in your account, you receive. And not only that, there are so many things here. Another way to earn from this system, so many, which you are going to enjoy so much, especially young people. Another way is this. If you buy, look at it. You can decide now to say, I want to become a data vendor, an airtime vendor. You just load your account. And let me tell you another thing. If you fund your account for the first time, this system will pay you more than 1,000 naira free for just funding your account. For the first time you want to use your account to start doing business, you transfer money to your account, the system pays you free money. Just transferring your money to you want to do business. And that business you want to do maybe selling of airtime. Every airtime you sell, whether to yourself or to someone, the system gives you a cashback instantly added to your account. If you sell data, remember this data you are selling, you can even add money to sell it to the people you are selling to. But whether you add or not, the system still pay you a cashback. If you people say, help me fund my betting account, you do that, the system pays you. That's how fantastic this is. People are electricity, those who are saying Go TV and all that. As you are funding people's account, the system pays you. So many things to do here. At one time or the other, the system have what we call giveaway. It will launch a giveaway like this during this last Christmas. They were doing giveaway. The new year, so you qualify for the giveaway, you join the giveaway, and what do you do in that giveaway to earn? Okay, share our post on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. That's all. You earn money. So you can see that someone can just be intentional this year and say, you know what? From PalmPay, I'll be able to make money every good month. Even if every month I tell myself I can earn 10,000 naira every month, it's not work. I'm not doing much, but I'm going to do this. And somebody will be somewhere and wondering, how is this guy getting money? What is giving money? And just a little app you have there. So I'm encouraging you, if you are watching this video now, especially those young people that want to know, looking for how to make money online, please don't joke with us. Start doing that right away. Whether a housewife, whatever, you have a great advantage. Do that. And one of the best benefits is that even if, apart from the money you're making, having this app helps you to do transfer easily. You know, all this, my money is hanging in GTB, hanging in Zenith, you're not talking about it. When people want to transfer money to you, just give them your PalmPay account, and which is your phone number. You use the that's the PalmPay account. Remove the first zero. That's your account number. And the transfer easy. Every transfer you make, and the transfer fees are zero fees. They don't charge you for transfer fees. But you know your banks, they cut 10 naira, 50 naira, 100 naira. Your money is finished. That's how fantastic this system is. So I'm encouraging you, please don't joke with this. So I want you to join right away. You're going to see, if you don't already have a kind of account with PalmPay, please, you're going to see my sign up link. I want you to use it. Sign up and be part of this. I want us to grow a team and see what we can achieve even this year. Please, I encourage you. Take it serious today. Look at your neighbors who are complaining of transfer failures and all that. Tell them, please, get this. And when they want to get this, quickly share your link, your invitation link to them, refer and earn link to them. When they use it to sign up, they'll be able to install the app, and you earn money instantly. That is how it is. I encourage you. This year is a bright year. We're starting new. We're going to make money. As long as you're intentional, you're going to do. If you need more of videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because you're going to see more and more and more of this. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.